Listeners, subscribers, viewers, and students, there is another video in calculus, particularly on differentiating implicit functions. So I hope that through this video, your knowledge in calculus will be enhanced, and so that you can analyze and solve problems related to this topic. So if 9x squared plus y squared equals 9, find the second derivative y double prime. So we have 9 times 2x or 18x plus 2y prime equals 0, which can be reduced to 9x plus y prime equals 0. Differentiating this, we have 9 plus, we have derivative product. So 9 plus y, or in this case, y prime is negative 9x over y. So that's the value of y prime. We differentiate this equation further and write it as 9 plus y double prime plus y prime times derivative of y prime equals 0. Replacing y prime squared, this is y prime squared by negative 9x over y. So we have 9 plus y double prime plus negative 9x over y squared equals 0. So 9 plus, or y double prime equals negative 81x squared over y squared minus 9. So take note that this is positive here, 81x squared over y squared, transposed to the right. So we have negative 81x squared over y squared, then minus 9. Factor out 9 or negative 9. So we have y double prime equals negative 81x squared minus 9y squared all over y squared. So in the numerator, factor out negative 9, and we have quantity y double prime equals negative 9 times 9x squared plus y squared over y cubed, because y squared times y is y cubed. Replacing 9x squared plus y squared, which is equal to 9. So the final answer, y double prime, is negative 9 times 9, so negative 81 over y cubed. For the second part, x cubed plus y cubed equals 1. So we have 3x squared plus 3y squared y prime. So differentiating, 3x squared plus 3y squared y prime equals 0. Dividing everything by 3, so x squared plus y squared y prime equals 0. So that means y prime is equal to negative x squared over y squared. So y prime negative x squared over y squared. We differentiate this, so we have 2x plus y squared times y double prime plus y prime times quantity 2y y prime equals 0. We have derivative of product for this case. So 2x plus y squared y double prime plus 2y times the value of y prime square is negative x squared over y squared, then quantity square equals 0. So take note, we have 2y here, then y prime square, where y prime is equal to negative x squared over y squared, then quantity square, because we have y prime squared. Simplifying, we have 2x plus y squared y double prime plus 2x to the fourth over y cubed equals 0. Y cubed, because there is y here, supposedly this is y to the fourth. This is x to the fourth over y to the fourth, cancel y, so x to the fourth over y cubed, x to the fourth over y, then times 2. Simplify further, we have y squared y double prime equals negative 2x to the fourth over y cubed. Simplify by algebra, y squared y double prime equals negative 2x y cubed minus 2x to the fourth over y cubed. Factor out negative 2x in the numerator and write x cubed first plus y cubed. So y squared y double prime equals negative 2x times x cubed plus y cubed all over y cubed. Finally, noting that x cubed plus y cubed equals 1, so y double prime is negative 2x times 1 divided by y squared times y cubed. That's y to the fifth. So y double prime is negative 2x over y to the fifth. 24C, so we have x to the 1 half plus y to the 1 half equals 1. So it is 1 half x to the negative 1 half plus 1 half y to the negative 1 half times y prime equals 0. So cancel out 1 half. So we have x to the negative 1 half plus y to the negative 1 half y prime equals 0. So that means y prime is negative x to the 1 half over y to the negative 4. Supposedly negative x to the 1 half over y to the negative 1 half. Then making the exponent positive, so that's why you have negative y to the 1 half over x to the 1 half. So we differentiate this further, and we have negative 1 half x to the negative 3 halves plus y to the negative 1 half times y double prime plus y prime times negative 1 half y to the negative 3 halves y prime equals 0. So take note that y prime is negative y to the 1 half over x to the 1 half. So we have negative 1 half x to the negative 3 halves plus y to the negative 1 half y double prime minus 1 half y times negative y to the negative 3 halves times y prime square, where y prime square is negative y to the 1 half over x to the 1 half quantity square. That's y prime square equals 0. So take note that if we simplify this is negative 1 half y to the negative 3 halves y. So y to the negative 3 halves times y is y to the negative 1 half. Then in the denominator we have x. So y to the negative 1 half y double prime equals 1 half x, 1 half y to the negative 1 half over x plus 1 half x to the negative 3 halves. So let me explain this first. After we transpose, that's positive 1 half. And the numerator is supposedly y to the negative 3 halves y to the 1. Y to the negative 3 halves y to the 1 is y to the negative 1 half. And the denominator is x, simply x. X to the 1 half square is x. So you have x here. Then we transpose this to the right, so that's why it becomes 1 half x to the negative 3 halves. So y to the negative 1 half y double prime equals 1 half y to the negative 1 half plus 1 half x to the negative 3 halves all over x. If we simplify further, factor out 1 half, y to the negative 1 half y double prime equals 1 half quantity x to the negative 1 half plus y to the negative 1 half all over x. So I'm just writing x to the negative 1 half first for this. Then by algebra, we write this as 1 over square root of x, this one 1 over square root of y. So y double prime is 1 over square root of x plus 1 over square root of y over x, y to the negative 1 half. Simplifying this, we have square root of x plus square root of y over square root of xy, or square root of x plus square root of y over 2x y to the negative 1 half times x to the 1 half y to the 1 half. For x to the 1 half y to the 1 half is square root of x times square root of y, which is the LCD supposedly. This is that. Then y to the 1 half times y to the negative 1 half is 1. And the denominator is 2x x to the 1 half, that's 2x to the 3 halves. The numerator is 1 because square root of x plus square root of y is 1. So finally, y double prime is 1 over 2x to the 3 halves. Then, problem 24D, you have 4x cubed plus 4y cubed times y prime equals 0. Divide everything by 4. So x cubed plus y cubed y prime equals 0. So that means y prime is negative x cubed over y cubed. we differentiate this equation further. So 3x squared plus y cubed times y double prime plus y prime times quantity 3y squared y prime equals 0. So take note that this last term is 3y squared y prime squared. We replace y prime squared by this. So 3x squared plus y cubed y double prime plus 3y squared times y prime squared negative x cubed over y cubed quantity squared equals 0. So 3x squared plus y cubed y double prime plus 3x to the 6 over y to the 4th, x to the 6 over y to the 6 supposedly, and y squared over y to the 6 is 1 over y to the 4th. Is this? So y cubed y double prime equals negative 3x squared times quantity 1 plus x to the 4th over y to the 4th. We factor out negative 3x squared here, so that's why we have 1. Then here we have x to the 4th over y to the 4th. After we factor out negative 3x squared, because this is supposed to be negative 3x to the 6 over y to the 4th. So, algebra, instead of y to the 4th plus x to the 4th, I write this as x to the 4th plus y to the 4th over y to the 4th. So, y cubed y double prime equals negative 3x squared times quantity x to the 4th plus y to the 4th over y to the 4th. Finally, replacing x to the 4th plus y to the 4th by a to the 4th, final answer is y double prime is negative 3a to the 4th x squared over y to the 7, because y cubed times y to the 4th is y to the 7. So y double prime is negative 3a to the 4th x squared over y to the 7. So that's it for this video.